car is like a steady hand guiding us through our lives. Uh-oh. After an accident, owners are trapped in the middle of a fragmented effort between the insurance company, DMV, and workshop. Is there a better way to collaborate? Perhaps there is. VeChain creates a digital passport of a vehicle recording all the data through its life cycle. This includes mileage, repair history, insurance, registration, and even driver behavior. Car owners have complete control over their data and can authorize third parties such as insurers to access it with a single click, making the claims process efficient. Parts of the vehicle are assigned IDs. Repairs can be authorized and tracked by linking new parts to the passport. The data is cryptographically secured, creating an immutable profile for the vehicle. This can solve the issue of data authenticity in the used car market. VeChain makes sales transparent by allowing the data to speak for itself. VeChain puts data into the hands of owners, making data management comprehensive, accessible, and transparent.